Venture Place is an apartment complex, 24-unit apartment complex that the Adam Board is building. Will be run by Lutheran Social Services. That apartment complex will service homeless people in Fairfield County who are also experiencing either mental health or addiction or both issues in an effort to get those folks on a path, a better path, right? To connected to the Center of Hope, right? It's right next door, so they'll have a place to sleep at night. They'll have a place to go during the day to get the counseling, get meals and all of that, so that we're trying to help that important population move in a better direction. Most of the time, my focus has been on workforce housing and on that missing middle, right? Because those are the pressing needs that we have. Meanwhile, we understand that there is a homeless population in Fairfield County that also needs to be addressed, right? As we're addressing, housing all across the spectrum, the homeless people need a place to put their head at night. So we're really happy to support the Adam Board in this effort. We were really fortunate in that when Marcy Fields from the Adam Board came to us with this idea, the timing was right in that we were receiving a significant amount of money from the federal government, right? From COVID relief and all that went with that, $30 million. We collectively decided as commissioners that $3 million would be an appropriate amount to put towards this project, and so we've done that. Adam Board has gone and collected another $10 million to put this project together, partnered with Lutheran Social Services. So we're excited that we're actually doing something to help people again get on a better path. The concept is it's long-term housing, right? The hope is that as we work with these folks on their addiction issues or on their mental health issues, that they can get back on a good path and not have the need for those services long-term, but that housing is available for them long-term if needed. I would say that homelessness is not something that any of us really like to talk about, right? And yet it exists, and it's important that we recognize that there are people in our society who, for whatever reason, have had issues in their life that put them in a position where they either can't afford housing or for some reason are unhoused, right? Turning our back on those people is not okay, and doing nothing about it is not okay. We don't have an unlimited amount of resources to put towards this effort, but with the federal government money that we got a couple years ago, we felt like this was an appropriate use, and we want to be part of the solution. So this is our way of helping. It's not going to solve the problem, but it will certainly help the people who are able to participate in the programs and to live in this place, certainly help them be in a much better place than if they're living on the streets. So we're pleased that we have this opportunity. We're grateful to the Adam Board for all the work they're doing to help all these people. Grateful to Lutheran Social Services for all the work that they're doing to help all these people. It's a good first step, so we're pleased to be a part of it.